Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with YuLife Employee Benefits Review My Usage Experience. YuLife Employee Benefits Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for employees to understand and utilize their YuLife provided benefits. It's aimed at employees of companies that partner with YuLife for health and well-being initiatives, allowing them to track progress, access resources, and understand the value of their benefits package. Key features likely include benefit summaries, reward tracking, and access to well-being programs. Their website provides details on how companies can partner with YuLife, but for employees, accessing the platform usually happens through a link provided by their employer. It focuses on promoting employee well-being and engagement, emphasizing ease of use and a positive user experience. The specific features and access methods will vary depending on your employer's setup with YuLife. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using YuLife Employee Benefits Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. My HR department sent a welcome email with a link and login details. The interface was clean and intuitive. I was able to quickly see a summary of my benefits, including my available reward points from completing well-being activities. I found the progress tracking particularly useful. It visually represented my steps towards earning rewards, motivating me to participate more. The reward catalog was also easy to browse and redeem points. I had a quick question about redeeming a specific reward and their support responded within 2 days via email. I was really impressed by how visually appealing and easy to navigate the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the gamified reward system. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Accessing it on my phone felt a bit cumbersome using the mobile browser. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with YuLife's employee benefits platform. It's a clear, effective way to engage employees in their well-being and access the rewards associated with their benefits. That's my overview of YuLife Employee Benefits Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.